There's a new budget-friendly home router that has a little bit of everything you might need in most households. Introducing the hEX S Refresh, a new generation of affordable home routing with a price that is even lower than the previous generation. In this economy? Sign me up! So, what's new? hEX S now features a 2.5 gigabit ready SFP port, alongside the regular gigabit Ethernet ports, USB, and a speedy dual-core CPU. Whether you're building a smart home, running a local lab, or just want a better router, it's ready. I would personally use it in one of two ways. Option 1. Upgrade to a 2 gigabit ISP plan and use the hEX S to share that speed with my most demanding devices, the main workstation, Plex media server, or a 4K security camera setup. Basically sharing extremely fast ISP uplink without any congestion. Perfect for LAN parties, multiple media workstations in a small office, and so on. But the real kicker, in my opinion, is bonding. You can watch our tutorial on that here. But the idea is pretty simple. I would connect my gaming or content creation PC to the hEX S using the 2.5 gigabit SFP port, then bond the 2 gigabit Ethernet ports to my NAS server, so I can move huge files without hitting the gigabit ceiling. It is perfect, the perfect internal backbone for creators, gamers, or anyone with a lot of local data to move around. And all that for the price of what? A night at the movie theater? Now, that's a bargain, am I right? If you are new to MikroTik, you might not know that each port can be configured in any way, unlike the standard ISP routers where only a specific port is designated for uplink. Also, I cannot keep silent when it comes to the stuff that makes your life easier. First up, PoE. We have PoE in and PoE out on ports 1 and 5 respectively. Less cable clutter to worry about, so the whole family can enjoy a nice and tidy setup. 2. You can mount it on the wall easily. Always nice to have options. 3. USB 3 for storage. Why not plug in a hard drive and use the hEX S to deliver files wherever you need? The MikroTik file sharing has saved me more than once whenever my fiancé is traveling and needs some large media files for work. I can't get my head around all the online file sharing privacy limitations. Direct file sharing seems so much better. Self-hosted, you know, all the control in your hands. All in all, I think this is the right device for the right price if you don't need wireless. The 2.5 gigabit port really opens up some options, and it costs less than the old hEX S. So don't wait. Make a reservation today and start upgrading your network on a truly user-friendly budget.